Welcome to my mini vlog! Ayan, another mini vlog na naman tayo guys. And alam nyo na yan kung saan tayo pupunta. So this was my ganap last week kasi medyo mahaba-haba ang ating pahinga. And sabi ko talaga nung nandun kami sa hospital ni Mama and Arla, sabi ko talaga paglabas na paglabas dito bibisita talaga kami dito sa Uma ni Lolo at magsistay for hours sa kamalig ni Tatay. And kasi guys, honestly, pag nandito ako, nare-refresh ako and parang na-empty yung mind ko. Yung November kasi, tsaka dinali pa yung December, first week of December is a bit challenging for me, pero okay lang. Kinakaya naman at kakayanin. That's life. We need to keep going. We don't have a choice to stop, just to rest and replenish our strength. Charet. Okay, so sa video yan guys is nagkakayod ako ng niyog kasi nagpa-rush pasuman si Lolo. Mga 3 na ata naka-decide na magsusuman kami. Kaya ayun, nagkakayod na ako while sa town sila kasi they still went to the town to buy the ingredients, the malagkit rice and the red sugar. Kaya para pagdating nila, everything is ready. Hinugasan ko na yung malaking kawali at saka nag-grate na ako ng niyog o nagkayod na ako ng niyog para isasalang na lang pagdating nila. This is how we cook our suman na malagkit dito sa aming probinsya. I know guys that there are different ways on how to cook suman na malagkit. But, iyang pagluluto namin guys is, yan yung madalian na ha. Madalian na yan guys. Kasi, papuntang, gabi na. And, we still need to go home. But still, it's yummy. Kasi, pinasimmer talaga yung gata. And, yan, as you can see, pinasimmer talaga yung gata. And, yung consistency ng sugar and ng gata is parang pinalapot talaga before isalang yung or ilagay yung malagkit na rice. At ayan, advertisement for today's video. Umiiyak na yan guys kasi gusto niyang pumunta sa akin. And after that, kasi marami yan. Kasi pag nagluto kami, whole family dapat. Kahit wala sila dyan, pero take out. Thanks for watching!